Did you know why it's worth dropping a few coins into a bird bath? An ornithologist shared this trick with me. A bird bath is something anyone can set up on a patio or in the garden, and it's really helpful. Birds then have steady access to water. Just remember to top it up with fresh water regularly, because residue can build up quickly. Many people place a bird bath not only so birds have somewhere to drink, but also as a nice garden feature, since bird baths can look genuinely decorative. The important thing is to make sure there's always enough clean water in it. And that's exactly when it's worth adding a few coins, preferably copper-colored ones. Coins contain copper, and copper has properties that help limit the growth of microorganisms in water. We're talking about bacteria, fungi, and other microbes that love warmth and moisture so they can multiply fast in a bird bath. They're often what makes the water turn cloudy, creates a slippery film on the bottom, and encourages algae to grow. Thanks to the coins, the water stays looking fresh for longer, and the bird bath won't develop that green buildup that looks unpleasant. The coins don't bother birds and won't harm them. They can still drink from the bird bath as usual, and for you, it means less scrubbing, fewer water changes, and a bird bath that stays clean and tidy for much longer. A winter-friendly, eco-friendly bird feeder that birds won't pass by even during the harshest frosts. It takes just a moment to make and can genuinely help birds survive winter at almost no cost. Start with an enamel mug. Next, grab some coconut oil. You probably already have it in your kitchen cupboard. It makes the perfect feeder base. Once it solidifies, it binds all the ingredients together, doesn't spoil in freezing temperatures, and is completely safe for birds. Add the oil to the mug until it fills about half of it, then gently heat it until fully melted. Place the mug on a heat source and wait until the oil has completely liquefied. Add pumpkin seeds to the liquid oil. They're highly nutritious, rich in fats, and birds love them. Then add a generous amount of ready-made birdseed mix with a variety of grains that attract many species. Mix everything thoroughly so the ingredients are evenly combined. Place a wooden spoon inside and position it so it stands firmly. This will serve as a comfortable perch for the birds. Now put the whole thing in the freezer or simply wait for the oil to harden on its own. Prepare some string and tie it securely around the mug. All that's left is to hang the feeder on a tree. Birds will quickly find it and keep coming back. This feeder works perfectly even in severe frost conditions.